So in this video, I'm going to give you a walking tour so you can feel the energy and the vibe in El Nido town.
Smile. Oi, oi. Oi, 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 oi.
Okay, so my room is pretty nice to say the least. The view is absolutely stunning. Overlooking a busy street. So I'm going to take you on a walking tour of that street and a few others. So later in this video, I'm also going to give you a sneak peek at my favorite El Nido beach, as well as tell you about which tour I chose to go on, and then give you a sneak peek at why I chose that tour. And I'll also tell you about my upcoming video, which will give you a very detailed version of the tour that I chose. So I think you're going to enjoy this, especially if you have an interest in visiting El Nido and Palawan. So if you're planning on visiting Puerto Princesa or Port Barton here in Palawan, you might want to check out my other videos. They'll be very helpful. So when the lights go down, this place just pops like bounces. The music blares out, the bars, and people are eating and drinking. The streets are full. It's a pretty exciting little town. I actually like it quite a bit. This little contraption coming at us right now is called the tricycle. No shortage of restaurants and places to eat and bars and the beach. I mean, just filled with good beaches. The worst beach in El Nido would be the best beach in Florida. So you should definitely check out this video I made of Papaya Beach, easily accessible by El Nido town, and I kayaked out there. This would definitely be an amazing experience for you. Check it out. So this is probably the best thing I've done in El Nido yet. I've been here about 4 days, and I rented a kayak. That was the only fee to do this. It cost me 500 pesos to rent a kayak, which is less than $10 for one whole day, no restrictions. And then I kayaked out to this beach, which is like a major prize. What a gift. Really, probably the best thing I've done in El Nido. It's Papaya Beach. Wow. So this is Papaya Beach. You have to take a kayak to get here. It is pristine, perfect. I don't know what more to say. Quiet. I'm the only one here. My kayak. The sand is like baby powder. Wow. So before visiting El Nido, I visited Puerto Princesa and Port Barton. And after spending 5 amazing days in El Nido, I then went on to Caran. And boy, that was exciting as well. Different, but really exciting. You can check out the Caran video on my YouTube channel. So from the walking street to the boat beach, there's many little cutaway paths or walkways to get there. So this beach is considered the boat beach, meaning this is where you're going to board your boats when you do some island hopping. It'll be at this beach. They don't actually recommend you go swimming at this beach for, I'm not sure why, but it's not considered the swimming beach. But right now it's right before sunset. That's why it looks a little bit dark. A lot of bars and exciting things happening at night along this beach. So hang out with me for a bit, and I'm going to take you to my favorite place to hang out right here in El Nido town. The Art Cafe, great place to grab a coffee in the morning or listen to live music at night. It's at the other end of this beach. So this place on my left is called the Yacht Wreck Bar, and pretty easy to see why they called it that. And the kids just love to hang out and play on this old yacht that's sitting here wrecked on the beach. Pretty interesting, actually. So I don't do pizza very often, but I'll tell you what, this one here on this day overlooking the waves and the beach hit the spot. It was just the perfect medicine for the day. So I walked this street many times, just heading down to the Art Cafe to have a coffee or catch some live music at night. There's a good vibe on this street, friendly vibe on this street. I enjoyed it. I just really liked it here. On the right side is the beach, and on the left side, well, there's lots of stores and hip little cafes. It's a good place. So in El Nido, it's all about bars, beaches, and island hopping. And you know, that's really the 3 things that anyone does when they get here. And when you choose to go island hopping, you know, you only have 4 tours to choose from: A, B, C, or D, or a group tour, which is much cheaper, or you can choose a private tour, which is what I did. So, you know, you should know that when you get here, that's what you're gonna experience. So the easiest way to make new friends in this town is to do a group tour. And that is exactly what the younger crowd definitely does. So this is the Art Cafe, which became my very favorite place to grab a Americano in the morning, a lunch in the afternoon, or some live music at night. Really, amazing, really well put together place. They really run this place really well. The view here is really cool. Just a really great vibe. Here's a little sample of the nightlife at the Art Cafe. So good, so good, so good. So at the tail end of this video, in just a second or two, you're going to meet Gary, who helped me choose the right tour for me. I mean, you only have 4 tours to choose from, and so it's really important on which one you choose. I definitely feel I chose the best one, and you can actually watch a very detailed video I put together on Tour C. And so be sure to check back next week to watch Tour C, and I'm going to give you a snippet of Tour C at the end of this video. So I rented some snorkel gear from this really kind lady up here that you'll meet in 2 seconds. And what a day I had. My friend.
Hi.
How are you?
Fine, sir.
Good. I had a great day.
Yeah.
Yeah. Good to see you again.
Oh, iniram ko lang. Huwag ka maano.
I'll see you later.
Okay.
Okay, good
Come
night.
back to me.
Okay. And this is Gary, who set me up with my island hopping tour, which was absolutely amazing. I come over to say hi and thank you.
Oh, thank you too.
Oh,
Yeah, just go.
I don't want to bother you while you're feeding the baby. That's all right. I had a great day today. Thank you so much, Gary.
Thank you too.
Yeah, we had fun. We got a lot of great pictures. We were very fortunate to hit every beach before any tourist.
Without any other person on the beach.
Thanks to you, Gary. I'll catch up with you. I can't say enough good stuff about Secret Beach. It's nice here. I really like it here. Wow. So yesterday I discovered Papaya Beach, and I thought that was my best beach discovery ever, and I still think it's a best beach. But what I'm learning about the Philippines is there's a lot of best beaches here, and this one here is also unbelievable. So now I'm at Helicopter Island, and you can see I'm the only person here. There's not a footprint in the sand. It's just so beautiful here. Everywhere I went today is just amazing. So I hope you enjoyed this walking tour of El Nido, and I also hope you enjoyed this little sneak peek of Tour C and what you'll see if you do Tour C. And hope you watch next week's video of a complete detailed tour of Tour C.